The journal Phytotherapy Research published a study in 2010 that found that blood sugar levels can go down as much as 20% when taking ginger. Ginger has been used as a natural remedy for thousands of years in the Eastern world and has been heavily consumed in Asia and Africa. In fact, it is ranked as one of the top 10 spices that people use most frequently. Today, ginger is also found in many over-the-counter and prescription medicines to help relieve symptoms of colds, allergies, and even diabetes. Ginger is a powerful detoxifier and anti-inflammatory that can help relieve headaches, colds, heartburn, nausea from pregnancy and morning sickness, sore joints, muscles, and menstrual pain. Therefore, this spicy root has more health benefits than any other spice you're likely to find in your home. In this video, I'm about to share some proven health benefits of ginger. I will also talk about when to avoid it, but before that, if you find this video useful so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties of ginger. For a powerful anti-inflammatory spice, look at ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years to treat a wide range of inflammatory afflictions, from muscle aches to arthritis, osteoarthritis, and other joint pain. Number 2. Gingerol and cancer. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol that has anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties found in ginger are also capable of inhibiting the enzymes linked to inflammation that is also commonly associated with cancer diseases. Number 3. Ginger and diabetes. Ginger helps to inhibit the pancreatic alpha amylase enzyme, which is commonly associated with diabetes. Studies have linked ginger consumption to a reduction in blood glucose levels. This is beneficial if you want to help control your blood sugar levels naturally without having to take harmful drugs and insulin injections. Number 4. Ginger and dental health. A common use of ginger is as a mouthwash, and in studies it has been discovered that ginger has no negative effects on the human teeth. In fact, it helps to strengthen the enamel, which acts as a barrier to bacteria. Ginger mouthwash actually prevents plaque, which is common in people with gingivitis. Number 5. Ginger and digestion. Ginger has also been linked to helping with digestion by improving liver function and inhibiting the production of stomach acid that is commonly associated with heartburn. Number 6. Ginger and heart health. Ginger is also a very effective blood thinner, which helps to prevent the formation of clots in the blood. This can be very beneficial for people who suffer from blockages in their arteries and heart attacks that are otherwise often prevented by pharmaceutical drugs. Number 7. Ginger and metabolism. Ginger has been linked to being beneficial for kidney function due to its metabolism-stimulating abilities. It also helps to reduce inflammation, which in turn helps to reduce the risk of organ damage. Number 8. Weight loss support. Ginger aids in weight loss through its antioxidant capacity, which is known to help destroy free radicals that are responsible for weight gain, fat buildup, and obesity. Studies have shown that ginger may also fight obesity and help with weight loss due to its contribution as a fat-burning agent. By increasing fat oxidation and thermogenesis, the process of converting food into energy. Number 9. Ginger and immune system. Ginger contains an antiviral component that can help to support the immune system against viral infections. It can also be used topically for skin irritations and burns. Number 10. Ginger for menstrual cramps. Ginger has been found to be very effective in alleviating menstrual cramps and has been used as a natural alternative to pharmaceutical painkillers. Number 11. Ginger and blood pressure. Ginger has also been linked to helping with high blood pressure, which can be dangerous if left untreated. Ginger helps the body relax, which results in reducing blood pressure. It also contains potassium, which is beneficial for circulation and can help to lower blood pressure levels naturally without the need of prescription drugs. Number 12. Ginger and nausea. Ginger has been linked to helping with nausea and morning sickness due to its ability as a natural antiemetic agent, anti-nausea. The compounds in ginger can help to reduce the production of stomach acid, which is responsible for morning sickness. Ginger is very useful when taken appropriately. However, there are some people who should not use ginger due to certain health conditions, such as, number 1, heart diseases. People who have heart diseases should avoid using ginger as it is a natural blood thinner and could result in serious side effects, such as internal bleeding or bruising. Number 2, stomach problems. People who have stomach problems such as excessive amounts of stomach acid, ulcers, and irritable bowel syndrome should avoid using ginger, as it is known to exacerbate these conditions. Ginger is believed to stimulate the production of stomach acid, making the ulcer worse. Number 3. Pregnancy. Consuming ginger during pregnancy may reduce blood clotting and therefore result in pregnant mothers having an increased risk of having a miscarriage or an ectopic pregnancy. Ginger should be used during pregnancy but only after directive by a health professional, as it is believed to have some harmful effects on the baby's development. Number 4. Hemophilia. If you suffer from hemophilia, then you should not consume ginger, as it is known to inhibit the formation of blood clots, which is necessary to stop bleeding. Number 5. Ulcerative colitis. People with ulcerative colitis should avoid using ginger because it is toxic to the colon and can make the condition worse. Number 6. Low blood pressure. Ginger has been commonly used as a blood thinner and can cause lower blood pressure levels in people who have moderately low blood pressure levels, hence should be avoided by this group of people. Will you start eating ginger after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to watch more.